on to my life.
Hi everyone, my name is Amanda McCants. I'm a YouTuber, an actress, a comedian, a good friend, but today I am your sous chef. I'm partnering with Tastemade because I'm just gonna make you a simple recipe and show you how normal people can cook too. Yes, chef. Today we're gonna be making a breakfast burrito. I got the initial recipe from this girl on TikTok named Salt and Sage Nutrition. She is, and I kind of made it my own. So I'm gonna encourage you to do that too. So first off, obviously, you're gonna need burrito wraps. I use these gluten-free ones because I'm gluten-free. I'm a pain, I'm a Scorpio, I'm a vibe. So now we need some substance in that burrito. We're gonna do cage-free eggs. Next up, we're gonna have to give it some roughage. So we are going to fill it with some baby arugula. You can't forget, and you might not see this one coming, we're gonna put guacamole. I add this vegan feta to everything. It's amazing. It has great consistency. Next ingredient and final ingredient, but one of the most important parts. It's my favorite hot sauce. It's vinegary, which I love, and it just sits so well in the breakfast burrito we're about to make. So, a hop and a skip and a jump. Let's get to it. So now we're cracking our eggs into this bowl. I'm going to whisk them. So once they get like that, we're gonna scramble these babies. Get a plate. Every mom has like a fruit plate. Take this, put it on here. I like to heat this up because then it's easier to fold. All right, so now we're gonna take our guacamole and we're going to spread it. All the while, we gotta keep an eye on those eggs. Chef, yes chef. It's like in my show, you know what I mean? Everyone's calling each other chef. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You wanna kind of put it in the middle. But don't live your life in the middle, live your life on the edge. Yes chef, no chef. We're gonna scramble our eggs a little. Look at how beautiful that is. Now we're gonna put the eggs into the burrito. So I'm actually probably gonna put too many ingredients in this, but you know what? We love a little bit of drama. So now that you have that, we're going to add the roughage, the arugula, the feta cheese, and now your hot sauce of choice. Drench it, drench it. I'm gonna try to fold it in front of you guys. So what you guys wanna do is add the two, oh my God, this is gonna collapse. But you know what? It gets in your mouth eventually. Do you see? It's really good. All right, you guys, my name is Amanda McCants. Thank you, Tastemade, for today. So excited. This was so much fun. And I can't wait to see you again. Mwah, bye.